What is up, guys? Tickler Nick here, and today we are taking this machine over to Bonar Garage's house to put in my man-in-the-box clutch. Y'all like the slides? Rocking the prison slides from when I was in the box. But anyway, let's go ahead and go on to Bonar Garage's house.
Woo! Clutch time! Damn, you got a license for that ass?
What's up, fat ass? Alright, well, just made it over here. Got my clutch plates and springs from Man in the Box. We're gonna go ahead and lay the bike over on the side once it cools off. And we are gonna put a new clutch in.
We're gonna do it. How'd you know it's coming out? We're gonna do it. We're gonna put the shit in here, the GameCube disc. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. We're gonna put a new clutch in. We're gonna do it.
We're gonna do it. Alright, quick update. Letting the bike cool off. And soaking the plates.
I got to lock it. Do we need that to do this?
Yeah, can I have some?
It may be empty now. I'm sorry. Dude!
Alright, we gotta test and see if it's hot. Ah! Okay, yeah, it's hot. Still gotta let it cool off for a little bit. Damn, Dirk. You thick, bro. Alright, I got a little fan sitting there blowing on the engine now. And he's also just gonna lick it to cool it off.
I'm so confused. I also got too many red Gatorade, bro.
You're a sweetheart.
Thanks, babe.
One thing I forgot to mention. Got a Suzuki, and a Suzuki. And guess what? Blown up engine. Wouldn't shift. Engine is over here. We're gonna be working on this tonight, trying to get that thing back in commission. And that thing only starts half the time. So what do we learn here, folks? Suzuki sucks. Quick update.
Update.
You just drank your tea.
I did. It was delicious.
All right, well, got the engine cover off, the clutch cover. So now, take off the drive shaft and go ahead and get in here and put in my new plates and springs.
Let's do it. Did you mention it was hot as ball sacks because we're impatient?
No, I didn't. But yeah, it's very hot. Okay, yeah.
Are you gonna have to beat that out?
No. Would you look at that? We got the drive shaft and everything off. Now we're just taking the plates out, put the new plates and springs in, and we'll be done.
Yeah, we're gonna be done.
All right. It is the next day because I forgot to film an outro. However, we did get the clutch in, and I don't know if you can tell, but it's a pretty good amount stiffer than a stock clutch. And it's got more pep. But that's gonna do it for the video. So if you guys liked it, be sure to like and subscribe for many more videos coming soon. And until next time, have a good one.